How to fix error_connection_timed_out error when browsing in Windows. 1. Turn off your firewall. 2. Try entering 3000 into receive timeout dword at computer /h_key_users/dot default/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/internet settings in registry editor. Restart your PC. Note, this option will change the timeout duration. 3. Delete your browser's history and cache. 4. Run these commands as admin. IP protocol configuration /flushins IP protocol configuration /registerdns IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew 5. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 6. Use your browser in compatibility mode. 7. Disable proxy settings. 8. Reset your web browser to default.